Hi there, everyone. Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. Now, in this video, we're going to walk you through how to connect your domain to the Builderall platform through your domain registered DNS records. And so, without further ado, let's get right into this. So here we are in our website, okay? This is just a dummy website. It is not connected. So we're going to go ahead and begin connecting it to a domain. So we're going to go with let's go with promockups.com. So we're going to click save and we're going to click save, and then domain successfully connected. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to cancel right here, and it says disconnect domain. Let's go ahead and click that. And then this pop-up is going to appear, and you're going to have some DNS name servers that you're going to have to input in your domain area in your domain registrar. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this right here, and I'm going to remember what I have right here real quick. You can see it's ns5.l4dns.com and then ns6.l4dns.com. So it's all the same except for this one number. It changes from a 5 to a 6. So I'm just going to remember that so that when I go over here, I'm going to go to the Pro Mockups. I'm going to go to the DNS area for this domain. And so you might be using GoDaddy, you might be using Namecheap. Nevertheless, all of them have the same idea. Ultimately, you have to change the name servers in all the domain registers. So find an area where you can change your name servers. You can see I have the default GoDaddy name servers here. We're going to change this. Enter my own name servers. I'm going to paste that first name server. I'm going to paste it a second time. And as you remember, we're going to change that 5 to a 6. And then we're going to click save. When this pop-up appears, you say, yes, I consent to update name servers for the selected domains. And we click continue. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Just be patient. You have to wait for the DNS to propagate. So it will take anywhere between 30 minutes to 48 hours. I've experienced the breadth in between. I've experienced 30 minutes and I've experienced 48 hours. So nevertheless, just be patient. Keep on checking. Keep on working on building your website. And eventually it will connect, and then Builderall, and then your domain will be connected to Builderall. So that'll be all for this video here. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, a share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know how we're doing. We thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.